Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to use a Telegram bot that converts WhatsApp chat to beautiful PDFs with backgrounds and themes, and also creates a chat analysis PDF. It also works for Instagram, Telegram, Facebook and Messenger chats. So let's get started. First, you need to install Telegram X on the phone. Telegram X is another version of Telegram with experimental features. It runs on the same account as the regular Telegram app, so you don't need to create a new one. Now let's open Telegram X and search for Chatbook in, which is the name of our bot. Tap on the bot and then tap the start button and we are ready to go. Now let's open the WhatsApp chat that we want to convert to PDF and export it to the bot. To export the chat, we tap on the three dots icon on the top right corner of the WhatsApp screen and select more. Then we tap on export chat. We have two options here, include media or without media. I think I'll go with the include media because I think I want to see all those funny memes and stuff, and also because I have a lot of storage space on my phone. Then you will see a list of apps that we can export the chat to. We choose the grey colored Telegram X icon. Telegram X opens and we see a list of accounts that we can send the chat to. We select Chatbook in and send the chat to it. The bot receives our chat and gives us an inclined keyboard with buttons with names of the participants. If we want to change the name of any person in the PDF, we can tap on their button, and with the names we can just tap on confirm to go to the next step. The bot asks us to select which person is the first person in the chat. This is important because it will affect how the messages are aligned in the PDF. The first person's message will be aligned to the right and the second person's messages will be aligned to the left. To select the first person, just tap on their name. The bot then asks to select a cover for our PDF. The bot then asks us to enter some text for our cover. We can write anything we want, such as the title of a chat, the date of our conversation or a person message. Here I am selecting one of the given texts. The bot then asks us to choose a background for a PDF. We can choose from different patterns and colors that match our cover. Just tap on the background that we like and it will be applied to our PDF. The bot then processes our chat and gives us two PDF files, one for our chat book and one for our chat analysis. The chat analysis PDF will show us some interesting statistics about our chat, such as how many messages were sent by each person, how many words were used, how many emojis were used, what were the most common words and emojis, etc. Let's take a look at these PDFs. First, I will open the chat analysis PDF and show you what it looks like. As you can see, it has a nice layout with graphs and charts that displays various information about a chat. Now I'll open the Chatbook PDF and show you what it looks like. As you can see, it has a beautiful design with our chosen cover, background, names and messages. We can also save these PDFs to our phone or share them with anyone we want. But wait, there's more. The bot also has some settings that we can change in order to customize our PDF even further. To access these settings, just send a message settings in the bot. We will see an inclined keyboard with different buttons that let us change various aspects of our PDF, such as fonts, themes, emojis, types, etc. We can experiment with these features and see how they affect our PDF. There is also a button called Clear. This button will delete our user data from the server. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day.